Hello guys, this is LG dual inverter 1.5 ton AC. This is one of the best AC available in the market. Right now summer season is coming. So if you want to purchase AC, you can consider this option. It comes with 5-star rating. You can see there, and it's 1.5 ton, and it's a dual inverter AC and with 10-year warranty. So this is how it looks. And the functions in the remote control is this. It has comfort air, and it has light mode, modes, fan speed, and Virat diet. So you can see the display. The AC looks very good, and it's not that noise making the AC also. Already the cooler started coming. So this is how it looks. And these are options of swing and room temperature, sleep functions, timers, and everything in this remote. Remote is also of very good quality. So hope that guys you like this video. Please comment and subscribe for my channel for more tech and or related updates.